Qwen 3.5 running fully on an iPhone 17, completely offline, no subscription, no data leaving the device. This isn't a research demo or a marketing stunt. It's a genuine inflection point. The question isn't whether on-device AI is here. The question is whether your business model was built for a world where it wasn't. For 3 years, nearly every AI product roadmap shared one silent assumption. Intelligence lives in the cloud, and users connect to it. That assumption wasn't born from technical necessity. It was born from economics. Running large-scale inference cost money, and subscriptions were how companies recovered that cost. Now that the compute is moving into devices people already own, that economic logic begins to unravel. The $20 per month AI subscription model was never really selling you access to intelligence. It was selling you access to expensive infrastructure. Once a capable model runs on hardware you already paid for, that pricing tier doesn't become less attractive. It becomes indefensible. Any product whose core value proposition is simply access to a capable small model is now standing on very thin ice. Half of all enterprise AI pilots never get approved for one reason. Sensitive data cannot leave the building. Medical records, legal filings, financial documents, legal and compliance teams have been killing promising use cases before they even start. On-device inference doesn't just improve privacy, it removes the entire objection. The AI never needs to see an external API because it never leaves the device. This isn't a binary story where local AI kills the cloud. Real-time world knowledge, complex multimodal reasoning, tasks requiring massive context windows, these still belong in data centers. But the tier of work that genuinely needs cloud inference is narrowing every single quarter. What's left is an increasingly specialized category, not the default assumption it used to be. The uncomfortable truth for anyone building on top of foundation models is that the model is no longer the moat. When a capable model can run on a phone, in your browser, or on a local laptop, the intelligence layer is effectively free. What cannot be commoditized is everything above the model. The workflow design, the memory architecture, the deeply specific context that makes a tool genuinely useful inside a particular industry or problem. The builders who will thrive in this next phase are not the ones with the best model access. They're the ones who understand what to automate, what to keep human, and how to wire intelligence into a specific context in ways that actually change how work gets done. Memory architecture, integration depth, domain expertise, and workflow design are not glamorous, but they are defensible in a way that API access to a capable model never was. The builders who are going to struggle are those still optimizing for the old model, where controlling access to capable inference was the business. The builders who will win are designing for a world where the model is everywhere, always available, and essentially free. That changes what your product needs to be. Start designing for that world now, before your competitors realize the ground has already shifted.